welcome back to this video series. Today we are creating the routes for our website. So first we need to install React Router, and so with this package we will create our routes. First of all, we have to go to the main.jsx file and import the React DOM and the browser route component from React DOM client and React Router. So instead of this create route, we are importing React DOM as and default export, and then we are importing browser router from React-router. And then first of all we are creating a variable called root, so const root equals document get element by id root, and then we are saying React DOM dot create root, and we are passing down the root variable. And then inside of the strict mode we are adding our browser router, browser router. Yeah, I wrote it wrong. And then inside of this browser router we are adding the app component. And that's all for the main.jsx. And now for the now we have to go into the app.jsx to create the individual routes. So for every route we are rendering a different component, and so we have to first of all make a directory, a pages directory, and then inside of this directory we can create, for example, the homepage.jsx and create inside of this file a React functional component. And then there are three other pages. First of all we need a login page, then we need a sign up page, and then we need a settings page .jsx. And now that we have created every page, we have to import some things from React Router. So we need three things. First of all we need the routes component, then the route component, and then the navigate component. The navigate component is later for example for navbar. So in this video we just need the first two. So now inside of the div we delete the button, and we are creating the routes component, which inside of this we are creating the individual routes. So first, the route is a self-closing tag, so every route has two props. First of all the path. So for example for the homepage we will say the path is simple slash, So every person which visits our page will go to this element or this page view, and then it also has the element, and the element, just inside of this element we add the component which we want to render. So in our case, the homepage component from the homepage.jsx file. And then if we save this and run the application, open this, you can see there's the homepage text which we created inside here. So now that we have this, we can create a route for every page which we made. So we need this form times, and then we say /login, and that's our login page component. Then we say the sign up page, or /sign up, and that's the sign up page. And then for the last we say /settings, and that's our settings page. So every page you also have to import it at the top, and then if you save it, you see there's no error, and up there if we type, for example, /login, you can see the text from the login page. So this was it for this video. In the next video we will create some things in the back end, for example the different routes and stuff like that. So see you.